Hi everyone, thanks for joining this video. Today I'm going to show you just a quick and easy way to add a manager to your Google business profile. To do that, you just simply search the name of your business. You might need to search your business name, city, state. Make sure you're signed into the Gmail account associated with your profile, and your profile should pop up here in Google just like this. Now, it's a little tricky to find. It's actually these three dots right over here. So when you click on them, you're going to get this drop down and select business profile settings, and from there you're going to see managers. So once I click on managers here, you're going to see I'm here as the primary owner, and you're going to be able to see owner versus manager in the account, and you click right here on this add button, and then you can add an owner. The owner can edit, add other managers. They can transfer ownership of the business profile. So be careful about who you own or you add as an owner. More likely you're going to want to add a manager, and they can make changes to the Google business profile. So this could be like an ad agency or a manager in the business, things like that, who are going to help you manage your profile. So you click manager, and then all you do is type in their email address right here. Type in their Gmail, usually preferred, but they could have a Google profile through another business or something like that. So you type that in, you click invite, and then that'll invite them. They'll have to accept the access, and you will have added a manager to your Google business profile.